Assalamu alaikum dear students. In the previous video, we have seen the basic introduction of rational numbers. We have given you the homework to divide different numbers into different categories like natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. Hope you have completed that homework. Students, in this video, we are going to learn about different types of operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on rational numbers. So, students, you all know that rational numbers are of the form m by n, which is very similar to fractions. Right? And in the previous standards we have already learned about the operations on fractions. Okay, so operations on rational numbers are similar to the operations on fractions that we have studied in the previous classes. Let's take some examples. If we want to add 5 by 7 and 9 by 11, then we just cross multiply numerator by denominator, numerator of first by the denominator of second, plus as it is, then numerator of second by the denominator of first divided by denominator of both. Like here 5 into 11 is 55, plus as it is 9 into 7 is 63 divided by 77, right? Then 55 plus 63 is 118 divided by 77. It means that the addition of rational numbers is similar to the addition of fractions. Okay, let's take this example of fraction. If we want to subtract 1 by 7 minus 3 by 4, then we just cross multiply numerator of first by the denominator of second, that is 1 into 4 is 4, minus will remain as it is, then numerator of second by the denominator of first, that is 3 into 7, 21 divided by 7 into 4 is 28. Okay, then 4 minus 21 is minus 17 by 28. Okay, now let's take one more example. If the numbers like this are given, 2 1 by 7 plus 3 8 by 14, then how should we add these type of numbers? Then first of all we should solve this number 2 1 by 7. How would we solve 2 1 by 7? We will solve as 7 into 2 plus 1 by 7, 7 into 2 plus 1 by 7, then it will give 7 into 2 is 14 plus 1 is 15 by 7, 15 by 7, that is given here 15 by 7, plus likewise we will solve this number like 14 into 3 plus 8, 14 into 3 is 42 plus 8, that is 50 divided by 14. Okay, to solve such type of numbers we have already learned in the previous classes. Okay, now here is the number 15 by 7 plus 50 by 14. Now we will take, or we will make 7, we can easily make 7 into 14 by multiplying it by 2. 7 into 2 will become 14 and 15 into 2 will become 30. Then 30 by 14 plus 50 by 40 will remain as it is. Then denominators of both the numbers are same, then we will write the common denominator 14 and we will add the numerators of both, that is 80 by 14. Now if we cancel it by 2, then 2 7s are 14 and 2 40s are 80. Okay, so 40 by 7 is the right answer of that question. Okay, now how we will multiply the rational numbers? To multiply, it's very simple. we just multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Okay, so if we want to multiply 9 by 13 by 4 by 7, then we just simply multiply 9 into 4 divided by 13 into 7, that is 36 by 91. Okay, likewise other examples also. If we want to multiply the two numbers or two rational numbers, we just multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator, that is 3 by 5 into minus 4 by 5. It will give 3 into minus 4 divided by 5 into 5, that is minus 12 upon 25. Okay, likewise in this example also, if you want to multiply 9 by 13 by 26 by 3, then if it cancels, then we will cancel it first, that is here in multiplication we can cancel the numerator by denominator of second number or that number itself, but not in addition and subtraction. We cannot cancel in addition and subtraction, but we can cancel the numbers in multiplication, like here 13 ones are 13 and 13 twos are 26. We can cancel numerator and denominator in multiplication. Okay, here 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. Then what is remaining? 3 into 2 divided by 1 into 1, that is 6 upon 1. Okay, now multiplicative inverse. What is the concept of multiplicative inverse? If any number is given to you, that is 5, then its multiplicative inverse will be the reciprocal of it. Reciprocal means 1 upon that number, 1 by 5. Okay, any number, if 2 by 3 is given to us, then its multiplicative inverse will be numerator will go upward, numerator will go in the denominator and denominator will go in the upward. Here denominator 3 will go in the numerator 3 and 2 will go in the denominator. So multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Okay, now what will be the multiplicative inverse of minus 2? Here minus 2 can be written as minus 2 upon 1. So its multiplicative inverse will be, minus will remain as it is, denominator will go in the numerator 1 and this 2 will go into denominator as 1 upon 2. Okay, so multiplicative inverse of minus 2 will be minus 1 upon 2. Okay, now the use of this multiplicative inverse is in the case of divisions. When we divide two rational numbers, then there is a concept of multiplicative inverse. So let's take one example how we divide the two rational numbers. Here we have to divide minus 10 by 11 by minus 11 by 10. Then we will divide as minus 10 by 11 will as it is, and division will convert into multiplication, and this number minus 11 by 10 will convert into its multiplicative inverse. Minus will remain as it is, minus 10 by 11. Okay, now we will multiply numerator by numerator. Minus 10 into minus 10 is 100 plus 100, minus into minus plus, divided by 11 into 11 is 121. Okay, so that is all about the operations on rational numbers. Okay, I hope you have understood this concept. In the next video we will see some problems and practice set 22 on that lecture. Okay.